This is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro and a leather case. This one is the base model, 128 gigabytes in graphite. Let's get into it, shall we? It's surprising how tiny the box is because there's no power brick inside it. I managed to really slim it down. It's not much thicker than the actual case. Good that the case is box exactly the same size. Let's get into this. We pull tab. Here we go. Ready? Let's put that in shot. Ready? Ooh. Discard that. There she is. Let's put it down. Ta-da! Ooh, that looks pretty special. Look at those camera modules. Woo! It's huge. Oh, it's so square. So lovely and square, just like the iPad Pro. Just the feel, just like the iPhone 5 feel. It's a bit thicker though, a bit wider, I mean not thicker, a bit wider in the hand than the iPhone 5. Reminiscent of it though. Lightning port, no USB-C. Power button, no Touch ID in there yet. Maybe I'll do it on the next one. People are saying about fingerprint, but on the screen, I almost think Touch ID on the thumb much better, rather than the iPad Air, the new iPad Air that has it there. Well, it's similar because you have it that way most of the time. They should just do exactly the same thing in there. People are saying it's in the screen, but just have it there. Power button on. Anyway, let's pull this off. Ta-da! Wow. Shiny. Fingerprint magnet. That's why we have a case. Get some close-up shots of this. Wow, so lovely. So nice. Hold that power button down. On comes the OLED. Hello and welcome. I normally don't do this bit till last, but I had to. Let's place that down there. What's in the box? Everyone knows what's in the box normally. A charging cable, lightning, one end, to go into the phone, like so. And then the other end is a USB-C to plug into my USB-C power adapters. Unfortunately, I don't have any other iPhones with USB-C. So this, I've got an iPad I can use, plug that I can use to charge it with. If not, I'll just have to use the old cables from the old phones, since there is nothing in no power brick. And a very tiny, designed by Apple in California, box. Nothing in there. Very, very minimal. One Apple sticker. Kind of a safety guide. No quick start guide. And just the SIM ejection tool. That's it. That is the iPhone 12 Pro unboxing. Apple are making it less and less to unbox. Less of a video to make. That is it. Let's get into this. iPhone 12/12 Pro leather case. Pop. Now that slides, nothing in there. Take that out. Funny, there seems to be more paperwork in this than there is for the actual phone. So there's the case. There's the MagSafe ring. And I'll just push that in. Oh, made a lovely little sound. There we go. The leather, black leather case. It has a slight lip all the way around. That's to protect it if you have it face down, like this. Instantly makes the phone feel that much thicker. Just huge, thick, huge. And there's the speakers, microphone, lightning, mute switch, volume up, volume down, power button. That's it. You've got the flash, LiDAR, microphone. I can't remember exactly what these cameras are. Got wide, ultra wide, and telephoto. I can never remember which way around they are. But that is it. Let's look in the box for the case. Not much there, just a little pamphlet. Some safety docs. Oh, that's just what the phone was in. Oh, that was it. There isn't many documents in it at all. That's it. I thought there was more. It looked like there was more of all this, but that's just what the case goes on. That is it. iPhone 12 Pro case and the iPhone 12 Pro. Just how easy it is to get these out. Not very easy. Must be a knack. There it is. It's much nicer without the case on.